How to shift locked in a Roblox PC. So first things first, open up Roblox Player or just simply use the Roblox web version, which is going to be your preferred web browser, and ensure that you're already logged in into your account. Shift locked in Roblox actually locks the camera behind the player's character, allowing you to control the camera by simply moving your mouse without holding the right mouse button. For you to be able to have access in that setting, just simply open up any experiences that you would like to have. Now, once your experience is loaded up, all you have to do at the top left portion of your screen is to click and choose on the Roblox icon. In here, you should see these options. Just go into settings, and then under shift lock switch, just simply turn it on and resume the game. For you to activate this, just simply hit on shift on your keyboard, and there you have it. And that's it. That's how you shift lock in Roblox PC.